I wanted to be an ecologist, a biologist. I had a big passion for that, and then at one point it was an oceanographer, but my life has kind of gone full circle from what I wanted to be and what I studied and to where I am now, but I'm very happy. I love that we can explore things, we can be curious, we can engage with people around some of the big issues of the day, help people and help communities. We want to make energy more affordable, we want to make energy more accessible. We also work in the energy sector, so have the opportunity to harness new technologies, and that's something that I'm really passionate about, of harnessing, leveraging innovation and new technologies to make a better world. I actually started in banking, in financial services. So my career's kind of gone full circle. Started as a geological engineer. I failed at university. I switched career, became a chartered accountant, went into accounting, went into banking, and then all of a sudden, about 15 years into my career in KPMG, I stumbled on an energy project, and then after a few years I became, well, the energy go-to man in Australia. So it's kind of gone full circle. So for a person who failed geology, I've actually ended up where I focused on energy and natural resources. Who knows? Funny things happen in your career.